In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Temu platform to process a return or refund for an order. So let's dive right in without further ado. First, you want to start by heading over to Temu's official website. Simply open up your preferred web browser, head to the address bar at the top of your screen, and type in Temu. If you haven't yet bookmarked the site for easier access in the future, this might be a good time to do so. Once you've arrived at the homepage of Temu, the next step is to locate your profile. Most websites, including Temu, feature the profile or account icon in the upper corner of the web page, often conveniently accessible and easily visible, usually in the top right section. Give that little icon a click and a drop-down menu should appear. You're looking for the Your Orders section. Click on this section and it will take you right to a list of all your recent purchases. Now here's where you can get precise about what needs returning or refunding. You'll want to navigate specifically to the Shipped section within this list. This is where you'll see all the orders that have been dispatched and may have already been received by you. If you have an item that has already been delivered and you're thinking of returning it or need a refund, this is exactly where it should show up. Find the particular item that you have in mind and there should be an option labeled Return Refund. Go ahead and click on that option. This will initiate the return or refund process. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on Temu's current procedures or any applicable policies, so be sure to read any instructions or prompts carefully as you progress. You might also be asked to provide reasons for the return or additional feedback, so have your thoughts gathered if needed. Once you've followed all the necessary steps laid out by Temu, you should be well on your way to processing that return or getting that refund you're after. And that's it. You've made it through to the end of the process, and you can rest easy knowing that your return or refund is underway. This process can be a bit intimidating at first, but with these clear steps in mind, you're now equipped to handle it smoothly. Remember, the key is to take your time, follow each step thoroughly, and reach out to Temu's customer service if you encounter any issues along the way. They are there to help you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your experience with Temu. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Have a great day.